Okay, so we got the queen and the cork. The sugar was gone, there's just the cork in there. So we're gonna put marshmallows on it. Marshmallows, job number one. Here's the queen and the cork. I'm gonna shake her down a little bit so she doesn't fly out. As you can see, everybody likes her. And there's the marshmallow. Place her back in. We can come and check on her in a few days. I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna give the bees another spray. All over. Give them a solid tap. Like that. And dump them in. Come over here. Give them a tap on the corner. Pull them in. Pull them in. And then just leave the rest of it over here for them to go in. Get our frames. Nice carnelians in here. It's like maybe a good mix, some Italians. Not from this last frame so we don't crush them. A bit of pressure. We got them installed. Next thing I'm gonna do is give them a little brush so we don't crush them when I put the burlap on. Go ahead and set the burlap on. Move all the bees.
For the record, they're very angry. Just in case you couldn't tell.
Lots of bees flying around. Some sugar water. Place them into super. Quilt box. and the lid. That's how we install a package in a Warre Hive. Now if you look at the front right here, we've set up the cage so the bees can go in. After we give them a little bit, I'm going to put a little reducer on there to keep them from flying out. We'll give it a couple days to check our queen, and we should be good.
Bye-bye.